Okay, it's pet peeve time. If you're a speaker and you've been asked to stand up, deliver new insights, don't tell me about your SMART goals. You know, that acronym, specific, measurable, timetable for it, the T. Now, there's nothing wrong with SMART goals, but if you're over the age of 7 and you've ever read more than 2 books in your life, chances are you've heard about SMART goals from a gazillion places. So when someone stands up and speaks and says, let me tell you about a SMART goal, it's specific, it's measurable, what happens to me is my eyes glaze over. I say, oh my God, I've heard this 10,000 times. Let me check my email. And I'm not the only one who feels like this. I'm not suggesting that every single word out of your mouth has to be 100% new, fresh, and original thought. But don't blindly use other people's thoughts, other people's acronyms that have been just ground into the dust because they've been used so many times. Again, it's different if you're talking to second graders and they've never heard about this before, fine. But if you're talking to any sort of adult audience, you got to ask yourself, am I truly delivering information that's new, interesting, and useful to them? Or am I just spouting a bunch of platitudes that they've heard 1,000 times before? I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively. If you would like more tips on how to be a better speaker, get some of my free books. All you have to do is go to my website, mediatrainingworldwide.com. You can also learn about our live, in-person, and online media training and public speaking workshops.